Like, guys, we're not used to this in Texas, and we don't have the tires to, like, snow tires and stuff. We don't have that, so our tires are not made for this, so it's much harder to drive, and it's much scarier too. But you can see the entire windshield had a bunch of snow on it. I'm only able to use my phone to vlog and to talk to my family because our power finally went out.
But that flame come back up.
So we're using the grill first to warm up. This is my lunch.
Not recommended.
Basically, you don't recommend it?
Yeah.
It's just like grilling is like a patient thing, and I'm very hangry right now. Like I just want to eat. But we're basically like in survival mode. Our little patio thing is so tiny I can't even get away from the smoke. All right. So we're just gonna thug it out here. Like if things get too unbearable, we'll go to somebody's house and basically just make it work. But all the snow has melted more from the last time I showed y'all, I think, in my last vlog. So this is gonna start a new vlog. So we'll keep y'all updated on what's happening. Just putting more coal and wood chips on the grill. We're gonna make steak, potatoes, and corn on the cob. Ooh. Okay, so we came to my parents' house because it got too cold at ours. And of course, this is what he's doing. But anyway, let him be at peace. But we're just relaxing now. At least it's warm. That's all that matters. Good morning. It's 10:30. I'm having my coffee. And I'm making some queso. Today is my honey's birthday, and this was his first request. So I bought him a birthday gift, but it was something he already had. So that's kind of my fault because I should have known better. And then we were supposed to go to a fancy dinner tonight, but that's obviously not happening because of the whole weather thing. So I know this looks kind of weird right now, but don't worry, it's gonna come together and I'll show y'all later. Okay, so today's my honey's birthday, and this is his birthday cake that my mom helped me make. Isn't it so pretty, guys? Mm-hmm. This is Chef Neen right here. Tell us how you made the cake.
Bam suki bam.
What she said. Hi, Daddy. We're still here, but we made this cake. I'm so proud of this little cake. It's so cute.
Know my name.
Birthday to you.
Did you spit on it? Don't spit on it.
They my strawberries. I do that.
Good morning, beautiful people. It is a new day, okay? So we're back home. The power came back on. And our water never went off, so we're good. We have power and water. So today is really like let's get everything together, get back in a routine, because more than likely I am gonna go to work tomorrow. So I am going to insert a montage of me basically getting my life back together. I'm gonna speed it up. It's gonna be a nice little ASMR. So first of all, I need to like get rid of this Christmas stuff. I still have the Thanksgiving thing out. I have like the Christmas lights box, the little hooks for the ornaments. The container is in there. I need to take it back because a lot of it is like my mom's stuff. And then on the balcony, this has all our meat in it. That cooler has all our meat. I need to empty the grill. I need to put up my uniform. I need to like do something with the couch, and like it's just like shit everywhere. The laundry. This is junky. I hate when that gets junky. There's no trash. We don't even have trash bags. I probably need to go to the store too. Those are clean. Those are dirty. I need to put those in the dishwasher. I need to put those up clean all this off, wipe everything down. There's some food in the microwave that's probably not even good anymore. I need to go through the fridge and see what spoiled because the electricity did go off. So I'm not sure what is good anymore because there was like a little smell coming from it last night when we got back. I need to put those jeans up. I think there's clothes in here. We have these trash bags, but they're like the big gallon size bags and they don't fit that trash can. The trash can is too small. I need to wash our sheets and the bathroom. These clothes need to go in the basket. Everything needs to be cleaned up here. The countertops need to be wiped down.